It's a straightforward process, but safety is key. So let's get started. We try measure AC transformer types in this video. Okay, I chose this multimeter for test in this video. Let's take a quick look at our digital multimeter. This device can measure voltage, current. For measuring AC voltage, we'll be using the ACV setting. ACV setting, usually denoted by V with this squiggly line. You can see here AC volt, measuring AC voltage by this. For example, this multimeter can measuring 200 millivolt AC to 715 volt AC. First, turn a dial on your multimeter to the AC voltage. Make sure the leads are properly connected. Red to the V. Red to the V for positive port, and black lead to the COM port. You can see COM port. Okay, my friends, let's turn it on digital multimeter, and now let's measure the AC voltage from an electrical outlet. Insert the black probe into the natural salt and the red probe into the hot salt of the outlet. Please be careful not to touch the metal parts of the probe during this step. Let's see. Okay, you can see AC voltage measuring. Okay, my friends, let's try other device, power supply, 110 volt. As you can see, I select, because 110 volt, I select 200 here, because our power supply is 110 volt. Try measuring. Okay, as you can see, 117 volt AC here, measuring by multimeter. Once the probes are in place, you can see, you should see a reading on the multimeter screen. Now you should read on the multimeter screen. In this case, we have around 120 volt, which is a standard for household outlets in many countries. Okay, let's try measuring transformer to 24 volts. Okay, my friend, you can see 24 volt transformer. We measuring now by digital multimeter. Okay, you can see measuring around 24 volt transformer. Let's try other transformer, for example 12 volt AC transformer. Please be careful. Okay, try measuring 12 volt AC transformer. Okay, my friends, it's important you should be set selector on multimeter on 20 volt, because output is 12 volt. Now try measuring AC 12 volt transformer. I try measuring, as you can see here, measuring around 12 volt transformer. And that's it. Measuring AC voltage with a digital multimeter is that simple. Always remember to handle electrical device with care and follow safety guidelines. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, new Tec Pro channel, for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Thank you. Goodbye.